Okay, let's continue. We're going to draw the sides now. So if we flip back to our size, our workshop drawing there, we're going to draw the blue parts. So their size is, be careful about this, it's not 250, it's in fact 242 long, 41 wide and 12 thick. Back to Fusion. Alright, let's create a sketch. I'm going to go a bit quicker this time, not having to explain too much as we go. Create a sketch. This time I'm going to choose one of these vertical sketches. In fact, this one's going to be the best. This one here. It'll flick our view around, and rectangle, or R on the keyboard, so that's what I clicked there. And just up here somewhere I'm going to draw the rectangle, and it should be, the highlighted size should be 41. I'll press tab, flip to the next size, which is 250. That looks good. Let's press enter and simply stop sketch. Then we're going to extrude, or the E on the keyboard. Going to extrude this. It's 12mm thick. Very quick, very easy. Make sure it says new body. If it's touching this one for some reason, it would probably default to join. So please make sure that says new body. And click OK. Alright, we need to duplicate that because we need two of them. Easiest way to do this is with the move tool, the move copy, or the M on the keyboard. So we click the move copy. The object we want to move is a body, so make sure that under there it's a body. It's asking you to select a body. Yes, we select this one, and before you do anything here, make sure you click create copy. And using one of these arrows, avoid all the other stuff in there, just the arrow. We'll move that over. It should leave one behind there. If you didn't, it means you didn't put the tick in here. We could adjust that up or down as we go. So if that was touching the base, we use the same command to move this. And click OK when you're done. There's our sides.